Ever struggled washing dishes in a tiny apartment kitchen? I sure did. Late nights scrubbing plates left me exhausted and longing for a solution. Scrolling online, I discovered the ICUIR portable dishwasher. Game changer alert! Its compact design and no hookup feature instantly caught my attention. The built-in 5L water tank means I can use it anywhere, anytime. 360° dual spray arms ensure spotless dishes, even on the toughest stains. 6 cleaning programs, from quick rinses to deep cleans, it does it all. Integrated drying keeps dishes sanitary, no more damp plates piling up. Compact, yet spacious, perfect for my small kitchen and daily dish needs. Now dishes are clean, dry, and hassle-free. My kitchen feels so modern. Why struggle with dishwashing when ICUIR makes it effortless and stylish? Ready to upgrade your kitchen game? Don't wait, grab yours today.